In a quiet, sun-drenched village nestled at the edge of a vast forest, there lived a woman named Eulalia. She was 112 years old, though her vibrant demeanor and twinkling green eyes made it hard to believe she was a day over 70. Her silvery hair flowed in soft waves, her skin glowed with vitality, and her laughter resonated with a musical, childlike charm. The villagers often sought her out, curious about the secrets behind her youthful energy and astonishing longevity. One day, a curious young journalist named Clara visited her small, ivy-covered cottage to document Eulalia's life story and uncover the mysteries of her vibrant existence. As Clara sipped on a fragrant herbal tea prepared by Eulalia, the old woman leaned back in her rocking chair and began her tale. "I've lived a long life, child," Eulalia said, her voice smooth yet resonant. "But it's not just about living long, it's about living well. The first thing I did differently? I found a purpose early on. My purpose wasn't grand or world-changing, but it was mine. I loved to grow herbs and flowers, to tend to my garden, and to create remedies for people. A life filled with purpose gives you energy that no tonic or potion can replace. When I was young, I learned that what you put into your body shapes who you become. I avoided processed foods, even before they became common. My diet was simple: seasonal fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, seeds, and a small amount of fresh dairy. I also fasted one day every month, letting my body rest and reset. And I drank water like it was a sacred ritual, infused with herbs and a slice of lemon. I moved every day. Not strenuous exercise, mind you, but natural, joyful movement. I walked through the forest, danced under the moonlight, and stretched under the morning sun. But just as important as movement is stillness. I meditated every day, even if it was just 5 minutes. Silence and breath can heal in ways the world doesn't yet fully understand. Relationships keep the heart young. I surrounded myself with love, friends, family, neighbors. I laughed often, cried openly, and forgave quickly. I made it a point to smile at strangers and listen to their stories. Every person you connect with adds a little more light to your life. "Life is unpredictable, child," she said with a knowing smile. I didn't cling to what I couldn't control. When the storms came, and they always do, I learned to bend, not break. I let go of grudges and accepted change as a natural part of life. That, I believe, kept my heart light and my body strong. I never stopped learning. Even at my age, I read, listened, and asked questions. The mind is like a garden, it must be watered with new ideas. When you stop learning, you stop growing. And when you stop growing, you start aging. Every morning, I thanked the sun for rising, the birds for singing, and my body for carrying me another day. Gratitude makes you see the beauty in the simplest things, and that beauty fills you with joy. And joy, my dear, is the secret to staying young. Eulalia gestured to the jars lining her shelves. Nature has provided us with everything we need. I drank a tonic of ginger, honey, and turmeric every day to keep inflammation at bay. I used lavender oil for restful sleep and chamomile tea to calm my nerves. The forest was my pharmacy. She leaned in closer, her eyes sparkling mischievously. I have a few more secrets. Once a month, I spent a day entirely in silence, retreating to the forest to listen to the whispers of nature. I wrote letters to my younger self and burned them, releasing old regrets. And every year, I did something that scared me: a cold plunge in the river, a new skill, or a trip to an unfamiliar place. As Eulalia finished her story, Clara felt both awed and inspired. "Do you think anyone can live like you?" she asked. Eulalia smiled. "Anyone can try, child. But remember, it's not about copying me, it's about finding what works for you. Life is a series of choices. Choose joy, love, and curiosity, and life will bless you with more time to enjoy them." The villagers noticed Clara was forever changed after her meeting with Eulalia. Her articles became rich with wisdom, and her own life took on a glow of newfound purpose. Meanwhile, Eulalia continued her days, content and curious, reminding everyone that a youthful spirit and a long life are within reach when lived with intention and love.